In this video, woman, cat and froggy sees money falling out of the sky. You won't believe what happens in the end, so make sure to watch till the end. What a nice day at the park, right, cat? Yeah. Cat, froggy, what was that sound that I just heard? We don't know either. What is this? I don't know, cat. This looks like green paper. You're right, cat. Froggy, do you know? No, I don't know. Okay, then. Should we leave? No, let's stay for a little bit more. Fine. Let's catch the green paper. Okay, then. I got 10 of them. I got 20 of them. I got 25, the most. Wait, is this money? Maybe. If it's money, I will take it all. Why? You can buy anything with it. Makeup? Yes. Pizza? Yes. A dog? What? No, I'm your pet. Haha. I'm gonna get the most money. No, I am. Guys, stop it. It's gonna be me. Okay then, let's start.
2,000 years later.
Finally, we're done. I bet I got the most. No, I got the most. No, I got the most. Then let's see. Woman has 1,200,000 and Froggy has 2,351,000. Cat has 2,100,000. So that means Froggy is the winner. What? I thought I had the most. I forgot to tell this, but the winner gets a mansion. Yes, guys, I got the mansion. No one got the mansion except me. Subscribe if you want more videos like this.